Yes, 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 yes. The world boss says she too young. And all the big man, I make she know say she too young. She not ready for this thing yet. Cause she's just a little filly. Him not think she ready for no rough racing. So him a make she know you're too young. Go home to your mommy. All the big man I make she know that she still a exhilarate. Yes, what I say, and I try for sure how much she wicked and she wassy. You know what I mean? She claims that she look but she tell her so at the Gaza bar she asks her. But before I go in at it, I just feel like she said this. She call me daddy when me a spank it. She say him have zero strength, but I am fit. Hey boy, you vamp it and yamp it. We give her tough rain cocky number one. She rank it, spread the foot on the bed like blanket. Sink it like Columbus bomb ship. When she a come, she chuck her like a bike. When time I crank it, then she bend down and tank it. Because watch. Hear me I say, of the concrete stepper of the world, it's not a plan. Watch what go on in the nation, people. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know it go already, you know, when I come for represent. Hey, a full effect thing, man. You don't know it go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Hey, watch this. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Yes, nation people. You know we not easy. I grade with smoker, we not born baby. Regular we tell them and them act like them not believe we. What them feel like. Here what me I say right about now because you see the song. You see the way the song bad and explosive right about now. Me know everybody are go and run with the explosive message in the song. But here what I go on. Me still want you look a young girl them for remember the teachable moment in it because of that the world boss a deal with it. So me I say because if you don't notice him could have just sweep with the little girl foot and spread her out, but yet still him tell her say here go home to your mommy. You's just a little filly. You can't play with me not easy. She no want go home. The little girl start talk about the S. She hear about the big house over Portmore. She want sit down in the front of the S class. Most of all she talk about she hear about the general of bandy leg. Yeah, world boss, you know the girl them afraid of you. You see me from them see we out the street, from them see the way always step. Them know what go and them know say a tall utility pole, a 2,000 voltage, I go shock them. You see what I say? No gimmick thing no there about it. She start talk about all kind of thing. You see what I say? And all the man I tell her go home. You see what I say? You're too young. You know what I mean? I can't tell you this. It's not R. Kelly. She don't want to hear that. She talk about she know how to broke up and set it back. To them look baby. Listen to me good. From what year the world boss I drop some song and me I tell you say if you know sister in the classroom him there teach and it look like say you not pay attention because what year the world boss I teach the youth them. You see what I say? I wise them up properly. Me no know if them all listen, but right about now, my sister the little girl them time. You see what I say? So look, girl, it's a teachable moment for you. You stay in a school. You not ready for top class jockey champion jack. You see me? We're bred for go 12 and 16 furlong. You not ready for go so far yet. You see what I say? Stay in a school. You see what I say? And make certain you take in your book work properly. Because at the end of the day, that can make you be a woman, and that go make you. You see what I say? And that I go make you financially so you don't even have to run up and down and I do nothing out of the way for achieve. Nothing at all, my brother and my sister. No joke thing that dead about it. That's what I say. So just make certain you focus on education because other thing there, the world boss are sure you're a little girl, go home to mommy, you just a feel it. You know, reach the big attractive me yet, you know, ready for racing. We step in your sprocket and crack it. That's what I say. No joke thing no dead about it. A real way what I represent when I represent no lollipop way. If a certain boy, them not tell you that little girl, them just sweep on the foot, you get all knock up, you get pregnant. You know a big man have him woman, him wife, and can't carry home I'm house. You becomes a single mother, drop out of school. You see what I say? And a gimmicks thing. Yeah, nation people. See the church here, where the Godfather film. I just saw Al Pacino come link up the priest. Now gimmicks thing. Yes. He sure did. Yeah, me I say nation people. Yeah, me love the song. You see what I say? And the little girl, she talented. Me not gonna lie. You know what I mean? She talented. You see what I say? Yeah. So if the talent of the song you talk about, it well executed, my brother. And the little girl, she can hunger get better because she roll with the best of them all. And the world boss himself, you see what I say? So you know, say, she hunger can get better at her craft. You see what I say? Yeah, but I just don't want the little girl them run up and down with the message and think of it the wrong way because them are hear what the little girl I say and them not listen to what the teacher say. You see what I say? Remember, you know, she's just a little filly. The teacher could have spread out her, sweep her foot and spread her out. You see what I say? The general not do that. The general say, go home to your mommy. You see what I say? You're a little pitney. You see what I say? We're a top class jockey champion jack. You see what I say? We're bred for go 12 and 16 furlong. You're not ready for that thing there yet. You see what I say? You can't race so far. You're just a little filly. You see what I say? I don't know joke thing you want to talk about. You see what I deal with? Even the big mare, them afraid that we much chest the look of filly. When we stuff Brutus and Adolphus inside of them, I don't know joke thing. When we drop transmission and change front seal, change front seal. Boss up. I don't know gimmicks business. So just remember, say, most of all, the song well put together. But most of all, the song is a teachable moment for all of you little girl. You stay in a school, study your education, and make certain you come out on top. You see what I say? So you're independent. So no boy can't come tell you nothing and tell you to do nothing out of your character if you don't want. You see what I say? And little girl, you stick to the little apprentice them. We are slip 7 pounds. You can't challenge big champion jack where carry 133 and 140 pounds. You mad? Eh? You can't manage big champion jack. I got 12 furlong with 140 pounds in him back. Something wrong with you? Eh? Stay with the local apprentice them. We are slip 7 pounds. You hear that? And the general, you know, the 10 star one I represent. And you know how I represent already. A Gaza way. There ain't no other way. The world boss says she's too young. She's just a little filly. And she has said, no, a big she want. she want the bigger Makanda. You see what I mean? She no want a piranha. You see what I say? Yeah. It look like say she full up her bravery, but she not understand. You see what I say? Top class Jackie champion Jack. So little girls, stay into school. And that are the message. You hear what I say? So don't bother watch the hype round the message and feel like say uno can attempt them shit there. Cause many of little girls try them shit there and see the material evidence. You see me? Drop out of school early with baby. Becomes a single mother from your inner your teens. The man, the big top class jockey where you da run down, him have a mirror in him barn. You see what I say? So him can't go carry you as a little filly in there. So you see what I say? So I say, stick to your book work and better you stay with a local apprentice them who have slipped several pound until you grow up and turn a mirror and ready for racing. You see what I say? And the general, the 10 star one I represent Gaza way. There ain't no other way. What? 10 star. General.